Good morning, everyone. Well, it seems like the month already started. No, I'm just joking. I was thinking about the day. The month already started out in a bad shape, and we don't really have too much time to shake things up. But let's just dive into what's happening today. We had some good news for the pound, so I'm gonna keep an eye on for pound if it wants to go a little bit higher. I'm gonna keep an eye on, especially for this level. Kozinski, wow. Good morning, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for being here, my man. We're just starting out. Not much so far. Gold made a move higher. Euro is still struggling. Looking for some higher levels on Euro to reach for this imbalance, maybe higher. Definitely looking for some bullishness on pound since there was some good news. And yeah, so far that's what I'm looking for. So my point of interest would be from pound to get down there. And otherwise, let's see, gold is still going up, which is great. Gold is going up, guys. Otherwise, how is everybody doing? Don't forget to push a like button, thank you. Man, nowadays it's so hot, the weather is just so hot. I'm getting more sleepy and tired in these days. Anyway, it's Cash Friday, so Mega Money Friday. Tony is here. Tony. Thank you very much, Tony. I wish you the same as well. I owe you an apology, Tony. I was thinking about you, by the way, yesterday, New York session. I wasn't actually I was trading. To be honest, I was trading the New York session. On this challenge account I do. So I was trading yesterday, but as you can see, I made a few trades, Tony, but as I promised, I wasn't at my, I wasn't streaming, but I was trading, but I was just not feeling like I want to stream. So I owe you an apology. I know. I was trading. I was just showing you. I was trading. I made some good trades, as you can see. So I was trading, but this trade was made. Let me see. So as you can see, these trades were made in New York session. No, not this one. Oh, this was made this morning. This morning I made it. This was New York session. These were all New York session trades. So I was trading. I was just I wasn't feel like streaming or something, you know. But at least the challenge account is back above 50k. That's a good thing. Hello, Teacher FX is here. My God, thank you guys for being here. Push the like button and your yeah. Well, I made some good profit yesterday. It was okay. It was on the challenge account, of course, so it's not real money, but still, I'm glad that I could make some extra. I'm still fighting with my own demons, you know, when I'm streaming, because I also, as you can see, deleted the monthly journal. I have to rethink the whole thing because there is a psychological problem when I want to show off of how many percentage I made during a certain month, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I will. I just took a challenge account, 25k. Oh, wow, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. We had some news. That is really, really, really awesome. Congratulations there. You deserve another applause there. So congrats. 2.6% in one day is more than whatever you can dream of. The reality is that 2.6% is not normal for every day, of course, but in a challenge phase, you have to be aggressive. I know that. Gold. What is gold doing? Now I'm thinking that when I'm making a trade, I'm not sure I want to call it out immediately, because well, I get frustrated by it or something. I don't know. I have no idea. But well, I can comment on the silver bullet, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. EU 15-minute order block. Tapped it. Entering 1 minute. 15-minute order block on the euro. Yes, you're right. Tapped it. Good observation. Very good. $15-minute bearish order block. Tapped it. What do you see on the 1 minute? No, well, on the 1 minute there was a very tiny entry, but it's still a technically almost not 100%, but it's a good entry. There's your entry on the 1 minute. Right there. I'm not entering that. That's your entry. Look at that. Oh, it's retracing back up. What the hell is going on? Oh no. Now your entry is off. Not looking good right now. I did not enter. I was just commenting it. Yeah. Yeah, let's just wait. Wait for London. That's the best thing we can do for now. I'm just watching my other monitor. Tom, we are machines, we are humans, we have emotions, everything. Make mistakes, yes, but we learn from it. Well, wise thoughts there. DXP is here. DXP, welcome everyone. Guys, you are awesome. Thanks for being here. Welcome DXP. How you doing, my man? I'm just setting up my EA. All right. Just setting up an EA. You have a phase 2 10K account. Wow, that's good. That's very good. Good to hear that. Which broker I'm using? I'm using multiple brokers actually right now. I'm having a top step challenge at Tradeawait. I'm having a challenge at FTMO phase 2. I'm not sure I can finish it by time. And I'm having a challenge at my funded effects right now, and my personal account is held at IC markets, but that's a very small money. So my personal account is at IC markets, and I'm doing a challenge at FTMO and my funded effects and top step. But honestly guys, I'm not sure I'm ready for futures or ready for top step, so most likely I'm gonna lose the account. I'm already down more than $1,000 on a 50K combine, so I'm not sure I want to go deep into futures trading for now at top step. Actually, I'm just not comfortable with the trading environment and the rules. I'm just gonna say it out loud. Turtle soup. I'm not always trading the turtle soup, but you know, most likely the turtle soup is about equal highs and equal lows, right? Let me see if I can get some kind of a turtle soup somewhere. It's not always forming. You have to have equal highs and equal lows. And most likely for me, it's better on the higher time frames, like 1 hour, 15-minute maybe. Where can I get you a turtle soup? Actually, it's about you have a relative equal high, and for example, if you want to go short, come on, man, where can I find one? Oh, there was one on gold. Maybe here. Okay, so this is gold 1 hour. It's not the perfect one, but for example, you have relative equal highs one times, many times, and it doesn't really want to break through because it's a strong level. Like it's not breaking through here or here, and try to go as one more, and then it just bumps down. The problem is you did not have an entry here. For example, it tried once more here and here as well. And if you go down, I'm not going to go down, but if you go down to lower time frame, if you find a fair value gap somewhere inside this area, if you want to go with the simple fair value gap, then you can go short, boom. You have to have a strong level of support, not support, but equal highs or equal lows. And basically that's it. And you just go short. Same goes the opposite way. When it doesn't really want to break through that level, and then you can find a fair value gap if it retraces and you have clear targets, for example, sell side here, and then boom. But obviously ICT would kill me for this explanation because it's not the whole picture. But you can Google it. You can Google it on YouTube. Sorry, you can search for it on YouTube. There are many videos on YouTube for turtle soups. Simplified videos, of course. So strong levels. Search for a reversal. You don't have to wait all the time for a market structure shift. If you just have a fair value gap, that's enough. But you have to have at least 2 or 3 attempts for the price to break that high or low. And if it doesn't really want to do that, and if it turns back and leaves a fair value gap, then that's it. That's your entry. You can just go. But again, there are much better and simplified videos on YouTube. If you just search for ICT turtle soup, you will find some. Okay, gold is not really doing anything. Let's see, what do we have? 5 and 15 minute. Nothing. All right. Let's see. What do we have? I'm looking at German 40 sweep both sides of Asian range. Really? Wow. I don't even remember when I looked at last time. I don't even think I have the symbol loaded. Mm-hmm. Yeah, technically it did. Interesting. Do you think so? Yeah, well, it has to do something. Made a sweep. I'm not sure which direction to take on the German index, but yeah. .5 minute. Yeah, it's a 5 minute. Well, it can go both ways. The last move was a bullish order block to the upside, so if I would see the 5 minute, I would say we're going bullish. But you know, that's my first glimpse. I would say we should go bullish, but who knows, you know. Who am I to say? Not much moving, but we're definitely tapped into the 15-minute bearish order block on euro. We definitely tapped into that. Otherwise, nothing. I'm just checking gold. Maybe we can see kind of a reversal here, but not really. So this was not a clear entry. It definitely looks like I'm not in this trade, but it was look like that maybe it wants to do like a reversal from here. You know, by sweeping up. This is a 1 minute entry, by the way, but so took out some buy side liquidity there. Maybe wants to go down. You know, fair value gap, but I'm not in this trade, so I was just watching it. So we're just waiting. Now look at euro. No, nothing on the euro, guys. Pound is going a little deeper here. Okay, pound is going down. Let's see if we get a reaction. On gold for this scenario here. Yeah, I mean, looks good. Question is if it wants to dive deeper or not. I'm not taking this trade. I mean, this setup. This specific setup I did not take. Think so? We look for a bicep sweep on the USD pairs. Likely it happens to go. Yeah. Retrace the discount. Wow. I'm not trading the German index, but I can check for it just to see what's going on. Yeah, it's retracing. It's still a good entry level if you want to go long. Since I'm not knowing what it did in the past few days or weeks. I don't have an overall picture. I have nothing to say about German index. For me, it's all I can see is like a long entry, but it can do anything it wants. I'm not trading that. But hopefully it will do its job. Let's see what it does. Guys, don't forget the like buttons. Thank you so much for everyone. Let's see. Pound, nothing. All right. So far, nothing major is happening. Excuse me. Maybe we will see a little bit of a drop on gold. You know, it had a little bit of liquidity sweep. Will that be enough? I have no idea. I have no idea. There you go, baby. Come on. Come on, just push it. Come on, baby. Just push it. All right, bring it to break even. Closing it. All right. All right. Gold trade was okay. Don't worry, guys. I'm still done for the day. The energy is great, Arya. A little bit sleepy, but the energy is great. And thank you for being here, Arya. And it's an applause for everyone, as you know, for being here. I'm just a little sleepy. Yeah, this trade, this gold trade was not based on ICT concepts. So these are the trades I made today. I messed up the gold first. I shouldn't have closed it with a partial. No, sorry. I had a stop loss. Then I closed the partial, but these trades should have, I just should have left these on. Still down for the day, minus $13. So. But yeah. For this week, yeah, let me show you. For this week, well, overall on this account, I may say, on this account, I have $821 on this account. This is a challenge account. So $821. That's it. This morning I screwed up with the gold. But anyway, I'm up overall. I still have one trade open with around break even, but you know, these trades were not based on solely ICT concepts. I'm using a very special indicator for that. Don't worry, I do use it in conjunction with ICT concepts because I'm never gonna let go of these concepts. These concepts actually help me to get through some very difficult market conditions, and so I respect these concepts very, very much. Should have held gold much longer. EU microstructure shift 3-minute dollar blocks plus displacement. Really? Oh, look at that. 3-minute. You're right. Look at that. It really is. It really is. Guys, it doesn't really get any better than this on the 3-minute. And the one who called it out is Hello Teacher FX. So now is your entry right now. If you want to enter, you know, this is your entry. Guys, this is your entry on the 3-minute. It doesn't get better than this one on the 3-minute. It's like the perfect textbook entry if you want to go. It's not gonna get better than this. It's perfect. It's literally perfect. Picture perfect entry right now if you want to go short. Picture perfect entry on the 3-minute. Like textbook entry. There. Why is it rejected? Make it with 4. I do not understand why. It's interesting. I know that this account is still working. Let's try another one. Rejected. Wow. I can't place a trade. Gets rejected. Interesting. I know that this account is still live, so I don't know what the hell is going on. Entry is still good, by the way, guys. Sarvesh is here. Oh, look at that. Sarvesh, you deserve an applause, my man. No problem, man. Oh, I hope your dad is getting better, my man. Prayers. You know, health is important. Health is important. No problem, my man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Euro is going higher a little bit. He's fine. Very good. Very good. I'm glad to hear that. Okay, so as we can see, the only thing left here is this not too perfect bearish order block on the euro. Otherwise, it's going away. I did not take that trade. Pinky promise, I did not take it. My arms are hurting. Da, 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 da. Yeah, it seems like gold is having a hard time pushing up. It's definitely bearish on the 15 to the 1 hour to me. 4 hours still bullish. Four hours still bullish. Should have held to those trades. Now I don't know why the hell I got rejected on the EU trade. But it turns out I was lucky for a little bit. It's got rejected. There's no information why it got rejected. I have no idea why. Anyway. Yeah, look at gold. Gold is definitely showing some move here. Breaking down lower. Okay, it made a move. Made a real nice move actually. Question is gold going to keep on staying here? What else do we have? at pound. All right, so gold may try to get back up there. Long wick candle rejection on the 3 minute. Nothing so far here. Oh, I'm sorry. Euro is getting higher. Pound is struggling. All right, so I think gold might just want to get back up, right? Maybe gold wants to make a new high, who knows? All right. Let's see if it does. My side was perfectly swept, so it could come down all the way. There's nothing really holding it back. Yeah, waiting for silver bullet. Look at EU and AU. Oh yeah. Well, you know, the thing is that the short entry on EU is still technically valid. So if you look at the 3 minute entry, 3 minute chart, you're still in the short, or you can be in the short. So why not? It's still valid. Even now that it's going a little bit higher, it's still valid. AU, I'm not really looking at AU, but yeah, it's yeah, it's going up on the 3 minute. Yeah, not much going on here as far as I can see. But it does have a nice short entry, which I'm not taking, just saying. I'm not trading AU, but you know, if you're trading it, then this was a perfect, very nice short entry. But I don't know what the pair is doing right now. It did technically swept liquidity, so who knows? Anything can happen here. I'm just looking at pound and euro for now. Look at that, euro actually is going good. With that 3 minute entry, you could have entered here and you should be okay for now. Definitely. Definitely. London is open, so since London is open, we can see some movement. Volume should be kicking in at least a little bit. The euro dollar short, if you have taken it, is looking better and better. I think it should take out these lows. So if you entered here on this fair value gap, then you're cool. I got in at euro. You got in there? All right. Well, I think so far it's looking good. On the 3 minute, it's definitely looking good. Look at that. As for the upside on euro, well, we have targets here, but the next valuable target would be at 11.52, the hourly imbalance. Or, yeah, because on the 4 hour we tapped into that, so who knows. It's definitely having a little bit of a hard time to fall, but that doesn't mean it would not. Or it cannot. So technically this is a short entry on the 3 minute. I'm not in this trade because I'm only looking at the 5 minute and the 15. So far I don't see anything. I'm not trading the silver bullet, by the way. So, but silver bullet wise, this is the closest one on EU right now. But I do hope that if you took it a short, then you will succeed. So far gold is holding up. Not sure what it wants to do. Is it want to take out that equal highs? I don't know. But it's holding. It's holding up. Let's look at euro. Okay, there you go. Euro finally giving in, hopefully. Tried to move up, was struggling on the 1 minute. Hopefully on the 3 minute now it should give in. Yeah. Pound is going lower, so maybe this would be enough for euro. Still a little bit of struggle on the euro. Pound is gaining some momentum here. Gold is still holding. I wonder if it wants to take out that buy side or not. I don't know. That's a big question. Gold is moving a little bit up. Maybe for these equal highs. I don't know. You know, technically these almost like relative equal highs. Not the most perfect ones, I know that, but you know. Starting to be. is going on? What the hell is going on? Euro is still holding. FX Mo is here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Look at Euro. Now finally Euro is making the move. It should go down. If someone, yeah, so if you guys are in the short on Euro, hopefully it will take out sell side. I really hope for you guys. Okay, now gold also going down, looking like it. Still holding, but who knows for how long. Pound is still there. Pretty much stuck in one place, the whole market right now. Gold is going back up again. Euro is still struggling to take new lows. Wahab is here. Wahab. Oh my god, look at that. DXP. I took you short. My TP hit on Euro was just 1 hour. Well, very good, DXP. Congratulations. Congratulations. And Wahab, welcome to the stream. Good to see you, my man. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, so maybe if you took the 3-minute entry on Euro, then you could have taken slightly TP1 if you were with a tight stop. I don't know. But so far, that trade is still on, but it's still good. It's awesome. Otherwise, gold is struggling here. I'm not sure if it wants to take out these highs, but it's definitely struggling. Pound is, looks like it wants to go up a little bit. Pound was showing some bullishness, but now it's not. Sell side New York lows, EU 3-minute. Okay. That's technically New York. That's 11.18. You can take partials until then. All right. Let's see how it goes on gold. Nothing really. So EU is still slightly going down. Gold is going down. But no setups for now. So I don't see anything clearly from this point. Interesting how pound is stuck into this area. Almost broke out here. Now it wants to go down. I think gold is going down, yeah. EU is going down, so yeah, now you should be good with EU. You should be alright with EU. Definitely. Should be quite alright. If you took some TP, some partials, then you should be around break even or something. Pound is going higher a bit. Let's see how pound is going to do. Gold is playing some tricky games here, I must say. Doesn't really know what to do, as far as I can tell. Yeah, pound is stuck here. Just as gold. So guys, we are consolidating. No real movement here. I don't know what we can do in this environment. Not much, I guess. Just have to wait. Pound is absolutely stopped in this area. And so far, looks like gold may want to just, go down, take out this sell side. It's trading below this candle, so it's definitely bearish. Or not. I don't know. But it looks like it is. Although it feels like a little bit that it wants to go back up and take out those highs. Maybe it wants to take out those highs, I don't know. Let's look at euro. Okay, so you guys, if you're any one of you guys in the euro on the 3-minute, entry was here 5, you should be almost, well, I'm not sure. Should be taking partials by now. Okay, now gold is breaking lower. Not much to do here. The euro is still up there, while the gold is breaking lower. Yeah, very good, very good. TP should be taken. Partials, I mean. Gold is doing an interesting game here. Or interesting play. But if you look at pound, look at that. This is nothing. I mean, you can't make anything up from this. You know, it's not tradable. Pound is technically not tradable in this circumstances. We just have to wait, guys. There is not much to do. No silver bullet is working here, by the way. Okay, now gold is going down. Oh, no, okay, now your euro should be fine. Pound is going lower. Look at that. Something is happening. Okay, there you go. Maybe some news came out, I don't know. Let's check it. Or this was just a fake out. No, look at euro. Beautiful, beautiful. If you guys took the euro trade, congratulations. You should be just fine. This should be a break even, guys. It's beautiful. It's looking real good. Now pound made the new low. Maybe just to tap into some liquidity and then go up again. I don't know. I have no idea. Gold almost made a new low. So let's just wait and see what gold wants to do here. Yeah, gold is definitely making some new lows, which is good. What can be the target for gold? Oh yeah, right down there. I can't sell a contract. I got rejected. I don't know why. I have to check my dashboard. Yeah, I know that. I'm not interested in that. It's not taking my orders somehow. I wanted to go short, but it's not taking my orders. Yeah, that's very cool, I think. Naga, I took some small scalps. We were talking about a nice EU trade. Actually, Hello Teacher FX called it out. So it's actually his trade based on the 3-minute chart. And look at how beautifully it played out. So it's all to Hello Teacher FX. So he did great. He did really great. Send a signal. I want to send a signal, but I have no signal right now. I wish I could, but I'm just, checking the market and I don't have it. So far, the EU took a very nice move to the downside here. What I will be looking at is some, well, maybe some short entries. Yeah, this EU was called out by Hello Teacher FX. So that's his trade. It's not my trade, that's his trade. And because I'm not trading on the 3-minute chart, and this was called on the 3-minute. And so far on the 5-minute, everything is cool. 15-minute bearish order block. Interesting. Do we have some news? I don't know. Let me check it. Hold on, guys. Interesting. Very interesting. I was just checking something. Okay, look at pound. Pound is recovering nicely. Euro, wow, look at Euro. Was this a fake out? Who knows? Seems like a fake out. Gold. Dollar index. Oh, look at dollar index. It spiked up a little bit. It's gonna make some new highs, I think. It definitely looks like it. Getting inside this fair value gap. Yeah, new highs. It's gonna bring Euro a little bit down. And pound as well. Maybe pound just wants to take out the previous low. Who knows? I don't know. You know, if dollar index wants to go higher, that could definitely bring the pound a little bit lower. To take out actually today's low. That would be the target. But now it's struggling. Actually, it all depends on the dollar index. For now, it looks like it wants to go take out that high. We just have to see. But it's still holding nicely. Euro definitely took some liquidity. You know, despite that this is a Friday, it made a nice move in this session. Otherwise, it's hard to read. You know, euro is making this upside movements. Hard to tell. Gold is going lower. Look at that. Gold is going to take our previous day low. Let's check it. I'm interested to see what's happening on gold there. Yeah, it looks like it wants to take it out. Question is it gonna take it out or not? For now, it seems like it wants to. It dropped nicely, so what's dollar index doing? Still there? Yeah, it can go, you know. Why not? I think lots of traders are watching the dollar index right now, what it wants to do. And also gold. Let's hope we get a reaction. What we're waiting for. Gold almost took out previous day low, which is right here. I think it should take it out. What else is going on here? Pound, 5 minute is nothing. 15 minute, nothing. 1 minute definitely turned bearish. Okay, previous day low is gonna get taken out, that's for sure. But I don't see anything to be called out for now. Okay, gold is ripping previous day low. Actually, almost. It's gonna go through 100%. Yeah, alright. It's going through, and pound is going as well. Very good. Okay. No trades so far. It's just interesting to see. If you look at the 5-minute chart, no trades, no setups, not even on the euro. Only the 3-minute gave an entry. Here nothing as well. So now gold is taking out this sell side liquidity. Should take it out with a spike. Should spike down one more. Then we should see, maybe we can see a reversal. That's the only thing we can hope for on this Friday. Or the next target could be, what else? Maybe on the 4-hour. Not too many targets on the 4-hour. We're definitely getting into support. So if gold wants to make a turn, then maybe we can look for reversals. A reversal trade could be our cup of tea. It's bursting through now. So yeah. No problem, Hello Teacher FX. Thank you so much for being here, and congratulations on your profit. Have a great day there. Gold might pushing down. I will enter at this 1 hour closed. Depending on what you're looking for. If you're looking for some more drops, then I guess you can. I don't know what would be your target. Maybe down here, depending on your strategy. For me, I will be only looking for a reversal on the 5-minute. Also, same goes for the pound dollar. That's the only thing I'm looking for now. Alright guys, have to go out for a drink and use the bathroom. I'll be back in a few minutes, alright? Thank you. I'm back. I'm sorry. I was having some issues I had to deal with around the house. Oh, look at that. Pound is going down again. Euro is still down. So we're having a bearish day so far, I can tell that. Now gold also making a move. Seems like to me that pound may want to take out previous day low. So if that's the case, then that could be interesting. And Miss Healthy FX is here. I'm not sure if you're still here, but welcome, welcome, and applause to everyone. They're still in the kill zone, technically. Pound is dropping sharply, I must say. Look at that. Some sharp drops. On pound. Any idea why dollar yen is flying up? Was there some news? Let's check for news. Bank of Japan, there you go. There's your news. Bank of Japan, we see little need to act, yield control. Oh, that's it. You know, guys, what this means. You know what this means. You know what this means. Oops. The Bank of Japan wants to intervene. They want to intervene. So that's going to be interesting. Sorry, phone call. So, Bank of Japan, they want to interact, which means, oh, look at that! Wow. Or intervene. Sorry. So that comment in itself made dollar yen fly. We see little need to act on yield control for now. Sorry. I misread the news. We see little need to act. So they don't really want to control the Japanese yen. So investors are pulling out the money from Japanese yen, and that's why it's flying. Sorry, I misread the news. Little need to. I was looking like, why is it going up? What the hell is going? Why is it weakening? Because because investors are pulling out the money from the Japanese yen, because so far the Bank of Japan do not want to intervene. Sorry, quite the opposite, which I was thinking. I'm an idiot. Sorry, I was misreading it completely. Look at that. We took out, did we take it? No, we did not. How far is that? 18, 28. I can't take a short. I can't take a short on Trade-O-8. I don't know what the hell is going on. I cannot take a short on futures on this one. I want to, but I just can't. I would love to, because we do have sell side liquidity resting below there. Eight pips, the range is good. Five-minute chart looks good. Look at that sell side right there. Quite interesting. And I just can't take a trade. Sell market. All right. Why the hell I cannot take a short entry here? Rejected. I don't know why. Something is wrong with Trade-O-8. Two pips. How would I trade dollar yen? Hard to tell. Because the move has been made already. It's hard to tell. One here. That's yesterday. No, actually, this is... Let me put this here. Yesterday high is here. Yesterday low is somewhere here. Already up. Where is buy side? Hard to tell. There is one buy side up there. How far is that? It's quite far. Oh yeah, it's still 73 pips away. And we are entering into, we poked into this fair value gap. Let me delete this. Dollar yen. So this is dollar yen fair value gap. One hour fair value gap. Poked into it. Let's be honest, what is the usually daily range? Well, yesterday it made 100 pips. Yeah, so It's quite a stretch. It still has to make a stretch to take out the next buy side. And we have the psychological number. Well, we have the psychological number 142, which is always a magnet. I think this news can trigger this 142. I would be very careful to go short. And if you want to go long, I mean, there was a very tiny and small fair value gap here. So you can do two things. One, two. You can go for the 142 level as a scalp, as a run on liquidity. As a liquidity run, you can go for a long with 22 pips range, and your stop loss would be right here. So this would be a nice 1 to 2 risk reward long position from here, with stop loss is actually it's very good. The risk reward is very good on this one. So you can enter right here where we are right now, exactly from here with a 1 to 2 risk reward. You can do that. That's one scenario, and you target 142 liquidity, but you have to enter now on this. But I'm not saying to enter now like that way. You have to decide to enter here or here on this fair value gap on the 1 minute, and you target 142. That's the first scenario if you want to be aggressive. The second scenario, what you can do is wait for price to reach this level, and then boom and boom. That's the second scenario, and I would be waiting for a fair value gap right here somewhere to enter. So scenario one is you go aggressive and you target the 142 psychological level because it's still inside this fair value gap on this what the hell am I doing? Let me put this here. There. Sorry, don't worry, don't get dizzy. So you can go for that. You can target that inside that 1 hour fair value gap, or you can wait for this move. But from here, where we are right now, that's the scenario C, or third scenario. There is a third version which I don't like. If this one would like make this, and you know, I'm not sure what would happen here. If you enter here, would it be enough? Sorry. Would it be enough to, you know, go further down? I don't like this scenario. This one would be scary for me. So either way, if you're very aggressive, you can go long with the liquidity run, following the news, chase it a little bit, but that's chasing price, so that's risky. This is risky with a small lot size. Or you can wait for the FVG to be repriced and then wait for a turnaround. That's the two scenarios I would be trading this. And FX liquidation, thank you so much for being here. And by the way, guys, can I ask a small favor to push a like button, please? Because I'm not a pro guru trader. I don't have a Lambo. I'm not flexing with the supercars, and yeah, so please push a like. Thank you. So FX liquidation, I'm from Middle Europe, and to be exact, I'm from Hungary. Hungary, you know, capital is Budapest. Budapest, Hungary. Um, we are just in the middle of Romania, next to Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, Ukraine, Austria, you know, in the middle of the whole thing, down in the ditch. Okay, now the third scenario, which I don't like, is happening right now. I don't like this scenario, although we tapped into liquidity. So this here is actually liquidity sweep. So what you can do here on the 1 minute, I would not trade this. You can enter on this fair value gap to go short. And stop loss would be 15 pips here. You have a 1-to-1 range. That's it. So that's the scenario C. That's how you can do it. I don't like it. It's scary because we're so close to 142. It's very close to 142. I would be scared to enter on retracement to here. It can just edge higher easily. But if you entered here, unfortunately your stop loss could be already hit. Because I was saying this was an aggressive entry to go for a liquidity run. But this one broke structure, but I am super scared to enter here because of this news. Because of Bank of Japan. There you go. This is your C entry. Have to be very careful if you want to enter here. Be very careful. So that's all for pound yen, I can say. What's going on with... Oh, look at that. Equal lows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. Dollar index edged lower. Okay. Pound. Pound would be an interesting short, to be honest. Also looking at gold too, but I would be super scared to enter pound short right now. Relative equal lows all the way. I put a fit tool here. We do have an optimal trade entry. 12 pips. Oops. There. You're in GU sell. I just entered the sell too on GU. I just entered the sell too, but I'm super scared. I mean, look at that. It looks so nice, so perfect. And you know what? I'm already break even. I put it to break even because I'm super scared. I'm already break even on GU. I'm so super scared, but I'm not anymore because I'm at a break even. This music is gonna drive me nuts. All right, out at break even. That was my GU short. I'm out at break even, now it's gonna tank. That's it. Took long on gold. Why would you do that? No, it's cool. Took long on gold. Well, actually, you can do that. You can. Made the structure shift. 3 minute I don't like. 1 minute, it's good. Should you hold your gold long? Honestly, I'm gonna be honest, but please don't take it the wrong way. The XP, I wouldn't have taken this long. Should you hold it? Wow, hard to tell. Let's see. What else? What else? What else? We have sell side here. I'm just marking it. That doesn't mean it's sell side right there. For this swing move, you have a potential to hold it because there's nothing to do here anymore for gold. I mean, gold did its job. It went down. Should be really good for gold to spike back up. I just don't like the structure of this on the 1 minute. There was no structure break here, which I like. This one was the first structure break, this candle with the fair value gap, but I see possible targets up there. You know, the problem is it's on the 1 minute, and the 1 minute can be tricky. We still have a fair value gap here. Well, you know, it's up to you. Should you hold it or not? I can't make that decision. If I would have entered, I would have not entered this trade for sure. But since I would be in it, I don't know. I can't say that to you, the XP. Yeah, let's see the dollar index. Let's see what it does. Maybe that can give us some confluence. Yeah, well, the dollar index does look like it wants to, but do we have any targets on the dollar index? No. Only if it wants to reprice. We have a bearish order block on the dollar index. Could be a potential target. I don't know. Looks scary for me, my man. It looks scary. I wouldn't have taken it, but should you hold it? I think if you trade below this fair value gap, the small one right here, then I think you should cut it. That's what I would think. You should tighten your stop, and if it trades below here, I would just cut the trade with a small loss. That's what I think for now. Look at pound playing mind tricks. Oh, look at that. Euro actually, and we're still inside the kill zone. Not the perfect liquidity sweep, but we did took out some lows. Possible long entry, I'm not taking it, is here on this fair value gap on Euro. I like this displacement here, how it looks like. I like it really much. I like the fact that we have a 15-minute order block here. So yeah. So far I like it. Look at pound. Stopped me out at break even, now it's falling. No problem there. I mean, yeah, you should reduce some risk. The XPI, I really hope I could help you out, but that's all my thoughts on the gold trade. I can check it again. Oh yeah. You should be out by now. I would be definitely out at this level on gold. I'm sorry to say that, the XP. I would be out at this level, especially because we broke the swing low. Doesn't look good. I would close it right now if you haven't already. Doesn't look good. Don't wait for it to break these lows. But again, that's my personal opinion. You can hold it if you want to, but you see, doesn't look good. What do we have? We have that swing low as a sell side. Pound is still there. That's still there. What do we have? EU is not tapping into the fair value gap at optimal trade entry. We have sell side at 1960 on gold. Not looking to do anything with gold. Not for now. Not for now, at least. Pound. Not much on pound. Except that it's going up. Now it's going down. All right, everything's fine. Everything's cool. It's going down. We're fine, everyone. We're fine. Doing good. Actually, pound is now at the optimal trade entry, somewhere around equilibrium. So this would be the optimal short entry for pound. Just saying. As a liquidity run for previous day's low. This would be a very, very optimal short entry for pound. Just saying. Just saying. This would be a very, very nice and optimal trade entry to go short. Take out previous day low. I mean, it doesn't really get better than this. I tell you that. Only problem is that we have liquidity void, which cannot be seen here. But we do have liquidity void somewhere. Oh yeah, I can only see it on my FTMO challenge. What else do we have? About gold. Gold is nothing major. What the hell is this music? Alright. Okay. It's driving me nuts. I'm gonna search for copyright-free jazz. Copyright-free jazz and easy listening. Easy listening. How do I make sure that this is copyright-free? Royalty-free jazz music. Okay, I'm gonna go nuts from this. Jazz, no copyright. Oh my god. Let's go with this for now. All right, pound. Come on, pound. Let's go for it. Let's go for it, pound. I know you can do it. That's it. I know you can. I know you can do it. Come on. I want you to take out these lows. Oh my god. Maybe I have to drink a coffee. I reopened a short on pound. Actually, I owe you guys this much. I'm gonna tell you my exact entry. I have a short on pound. Yeah. That's my stop loss. And final TP is down here. I'm going to take partials at previous day low. That's my only position now, guys. That's my only position. So, come on, pound. That's the only thing I have. So I'm just looking for pound to take out that this sell side. It's so obvious that it should take it out, right? I mean, really, I mean, it's just so obvious. It just has to drop there. Come on, pound, don't do this with us. So I'm just babysitting this. So still just waiting. Who knows what pound wants to do? What monitor I use? I have no idea. I have an LG, I have a Acer, and I have a Samsung. And what's the size of the monitor? I have separate monitors actually. I'm looking for the exact type to let you guys know. There. Of course, I don't know. I can't tell you. I don't know. 21 inch or something? Is that a thing? I have no idea. I can't tell you because I'm an idiot and I just don't know. Tom, did you take a look at AU? What do you mean? Let's check it. Optimal entry EU. Ultra wide, yeah, that's a good idea. Oh, look at that. Okay, so yeah, this one is technically an optimal entry on EU to go long. I mentioned it earlier, that's true. On the 5 minutes, so that's actually an optimal trade entry. If you want to go long, you can do so. I'm not doing it because I have a trade on pound, but that doesn't mean you cannot take this one. The only down thing is in this one is that it didn't really took all the liquidity. Technically it took some, so it took New York PM session, Asia, and stuff like that, you know. Well, not the complete PM session, lunch hour is not taking, but it took some liquidity, so it has a good potential. It's still good for an entry, be careful. But yeah, it gave it technically a an entry. So who knows, you know, who knows? You don't want to miss the move. Yeah. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour in one monitor, yeah. Well, if you want to do that, I guess you can. I guess you can. So yeah, this is technically a good entry for long on Euro. I'm not taking it because I have one position and that's it. That's the only reason for now I'm not taking it. I have a pound and it doesn't look good, so I'm just waiting and holding for now on pound. My thought process on pound is to take out these 5 minute lows here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that, 4 times the charm, right? So that's my thought process on pound. Nothing extra, to be honest. That's all I'm aiming for. Take those out on a Friday, right? be honest, I always miss the move. Just like you got 10 pips on gold, almost missed the move on Phil. Yeah, yeah. After the disaster I had last month, I have decided that only trade in the direction of the previous day. I lost because the daily momentum was down and I kept trying to buy. Interesting thought. In the previous day was, if the previous day was bullish, I only buy at the low of the day. If the previous day was bearish, I only sell at the high of the day. Well, you know, that's a good strategy. What can I say? It's actually a good thought process there. You can go with that if you want to. It's actually good. It's actually good. There you go. Euro dollar is going. Look at pound yen. Wow. Yeah, the Japanese bank. I would be scared to go short. And I would be stupid to go long from here. It was such a sharp move. I would not touch it. I would not touch this one. If I would even consider to go short, I would need a very strong displacement to the downside. Otherwise, I'm not touching this. I would not touch pound yen right now. Yeah, nobody could catch that move. That was news. That was news from Bank of Japan. Nobody knew what's gonna happen there. Unfortunate for me in the pound. I think I'm gonna be out from this trade soon. It's still looking, I mean, you know, I would love to give this trade a second chance if I could. Yeah, it's gonna be out. Oh my god. Euro is good. It's looking good. If you took this one, you still have a good chance. Although the momentum is weak and we're out from the London kill zone, so I think it will touch your stop loss and go down. This market play with us, yeah, definitely it is. It's gonna touch my stop loss and then boom, goes down. I'm not moving my stop, so it is what it is, you know. If it touched my stop loss, so be it. But still, I mean, look at this. Equal lows all the way down here. Even if I look at the 15 minute. So tempting. If I look at the 15 minute and look at this swing, still not really at equilibrium, so yeah, my stop could be off a little bit. Maybe I should have used a little bit wider stop above here. I'm not moving it for now. I'm leaving it as it is. I don't even know how many pips to my entry. 7.5 pips. You know, 8 or 7 pips is not too much for pound, but it goes vice versa. You're still in a pound sell? Wow, waiting to drop. Well, Miss Healthy FX, I re-entered too, and this is my position. I think I have a tight stop here. Maybe I should have put it up here to around the midnight level, but it is what it is for now. Just have to wait. I just have to wait. See what comes out of this mess. I'm not even sure I want to babysit this one all day long. I'm a little bit tired. I think it's gonna take some time to play out, so. Or not, or I'm just gonna hit stop loss and get on with my day. Very close there. It took your stop loss? Oh, that's a shame. Sorry about that, dude. Well, unfortunately, it's looking to take out mine as well. Yeah, look at that bastard. He's gonna take it out. I wouldn't be surprised if it, it takes me out, then it's gonna drop like boom immediately. And that's the worst part, in trading like that. I hate that so much. Not even you get the stop loss, but you get the FOMO. as well. And honestly, I'm not sure I want to sit this here. I love to sit here, but you know, this trade is driving me nuts. At this point, I just wish it should take my stop loss and let me go. There. Almost. Almost. Yeah, no problem. DXP, have a great weekend and you know, enjoy your rest of the day, and thank you so much for being here. You deserve an applause. Have a great day, my man. Technically, we repriced this range. Everything is repriced here, so now comes the big question. Is it gonna stay like this? I mean, is it gonna continue, or is it enough for pound? And now maybe it should just, you know, go back down. That's the big question. Yeah. Double it, yeah. Oh yeah, Ivan, thank you. No, actually, I'm at this point. I'm just hoping that it will takes me out and I can go on with my day, or at least to happen something. Either way, it should just take me out or drop. Just do something, because just, you know, staring at this is painful. So I just want down. I just want to get done with this. Euro is actually having problems to go up, and also gold is going down a little bit. Gold is going for that sell side. Only the pound is staying here. come back down 120.55, I will enter sell. Then it will fill. Yeah, could be. Let's see the 1 hour, by the way. Could do that, actually. Could do that. Also, this is a very short block. Interesting. Very interesting. It's painful. You're in euro. You are in euro and UJ. Man, you should be careful with UJ there. But good luck with it, you know. Yeah. Oh man, this is scary. UJ is a little bit scary right now. I told you this 192 level is a very strong level. This short was a fail. This long was a fail. Sorry, this long was a fail. This short was a fail. Very scary, UJ. Have to be careful. Yesterday UJ 139.80. Really? Oh, it's only. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, man. Congratulations, then. You shouldn't be even, you know, sitting at your computer. You should be out somewhere enjoying life. If you have a runner. .30p is less than 30 minutes. Wow. Let's go down, Gio. Yeah, it's a good thing that it went down, but still have to wait for some more confirmations. Although I like the structure shift on the 1 minute. I like the structure shift on the 1 minute candle. 15 seconds, 14, 30. 12, 11. I want it to stay around here. 7, 5, 2, 1. Great. I love this shift. On the 1 minute chart, I like this shift. That doesn't mean that it's a surefire thing, but I just told you. Now this would be a good short on the 1 minute, but yeah, I was hoping that it reprices this. Okay, and this will be the time to expect pound to drop, you know, from this. This would be the moment of truth, guys. The next few minutes. I am developer, so I'm always in PC. Okay, all right. What a dodge on GU, damn. DXP. Don't worry, it's still not over. I think pound can play some more tricks on us. So it's really crazy, I can tell you that. It really is. It's not that big a drop, by the way. Only a few pips. It looks big, but you know. We are on the same boat, Ivan. Dollar CAD. Yeah. Now this is a tricky one. Because it was so obvious for me that pound wants to take out those lows. That's why I was hoping that it will go down there. I was so confident. I was very confident. If I see a 4-time equal low, look at this on the 5-minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost perfect equal lows. I was so confident that this should just go down. But as you can see, it's not. It's not doing it. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like the 1-minute structure shift wasn't enough for pound. It's looking for more highs. So, unfortunately, guys, at least I have reassured myself that my stop was in place. It's going crazy again. What the hell is happening on UJ? Let me just take a peek. Wow. What the hell is going on here? Alright, that's not helping our pound trade. Maybe pound wants to go down, but UJ is mixing the whole picture. UJ is dangerous since the Bank of Japan commented on price. So we see little need to act on yield control for now. Japan's top currency diplomat. Excessive forex move are undesirable. So no excessive forex moves are coming. What the hell is going on? Wow. I told you guys, Bank of Japan is talking. We see little interact your control. We continue to see smoothness in yield curve. Okay, that's not important. But this comment really, you know, turned the whole thing. Yeah, I'm just, don't worry, I'm definitely holding my emotions. And because most likely this is going to be my last trade for the day and for the week, because I'm not trading the New York session, I think, and I don't think so. This is going to be my last trade. Let the market do its thing. Yeah, now pound 3G zone, yeah. I'm definitely calm, dude. Definitely. If it takes me out, I'm actually gonna be a little bit more happy because I have some stuff to do. So my main reason, for me sitting here is you guys, because I do appreciate you guys that you're sticking it out with me, but I still have to decide if I want to sit here for another hour or something. I don't know. I'm not putting on more trades, but I'm gonna do some tape reading maybe. So let's see what it does. Euro trade is not looking good. Gold is looking lower. Pound is holding strong, damn it. Gold should take out that sell side at 1961, 60, 80-ish level. Now this previous drop on the 1 minute was really a very hopeful drop, especially with the structure shift. And especially because we have so good, very good targets down here. Previous day low is such a good target. Especially because it's, you know, 4 times equal low. It's juicy down there. Very juicy. I'm gonna take a phone call until we wait. I'll be right back. I'm here. Let's wait. Honestly, I think it wants to take out this high. Euro dollar is gaining some strength. Not good for our trade. Oh, look at gold. Wow. Only on the 1 minute though. Five-minute pound chart. How far are we? Go ES long. Why? Dominic, I mean, good to see you, but why? I'm not gonna go long on ES or NQ. I see no reason to go long here. No, no way I'm going long. No way, dude. I don't see anything there, Dominic. I wish I would, but I just can't. I don't use Bookmap. I don't use it. I don't have. I know a few YouTubers, like this guy Patrick Wieland, he's using it. He's advertising it very much. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, it's a good thing. It gives you a little bit of extra insight. But you know, just for the sake of it, I'm going to log it right here because you told me somewhere there to go long on ES. My stop would be somewhere here, the 1-to-1 at least. Let's see how that would go. Yesterday's low was my target too. Oh, cool, cool, cool. Okay, finally. I'll be out from this. Oh, alright. Because you told me to go long. Okay. And trader weight is not working. Some problem with Top Step. I don't know. It's rejecting my orders, so I couldn't trade futures today. It was rejecting my orders. Oh, you have bookmap. All right. That's cool, man. That's awesome. Now this fair value gap, it seems like, turned EU to this level to a resistance zone, maybe. Which one was this? This was made on the 5 minutes. So this 5 minute fair value gap turned into sort of a resistance, maybe. But EU is definitely going down. Look at that. Try ES. This is ES. I would love to go short, for example, from here. NQ. Thank you very much, Ivan. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. And if you can, just subscribe and drop a like. And Ivan, it was my pleasure for me, for you to being here, to have you here. Have a great weekend, my man. Thank you. Yeah, everything is moving. Have a great weekend, Ivan. Thank you for being here. Took EJ sell on 5 minute. Let's check it. EJ sell on 5 minute. Looking for a wick fill, maybe? Why is everyone short the yen pairs? I don't see anything on EJ, but I guess, you know. Oh, Ivan just subscribed. Yeah. Thank you, Ivan. Cheers, my man. Thank you so much for the sub. Thank you, thank you. Hope to see you soon. So EJ sell. All right. I'll hope you succeed. I mean, still hovering in this pound trade. This is gonna be frustrating as F. I don't want to be in this position for too long. But I would love to see those lows taken out. I would really do love to see those lows taken out. Oh my man. Guys, I have other stuff to do, and I'm not trading New Year's session. I'm not sure I want to sit this one out. Here's my stop loss, 71. TP1 is at 28.40 ish. I don't want to sit here. I have stuff to do. I'm not taking more trades. I'm not babysitting this trade. It is what it is. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. That's it. Guys, thank you so much for being here. I have to go. I don't want to wait for this one, because I could be sitting here like 8 hours, and you know, that's it. That's it for me. See you guys hopefully next week, as soon as possible, and have a great weekend, everyone. Dominic, good luck with your long on NQ. And everyone, thank you so much for being here. You too, Dominic, have a good day. Tony as well, Ivan, DXP, Naga, Miss Healthy FX, Sarvesh, FX Liquidation, who else? Guys, Arya, Jijo, Kaczynski, thank you so much everyone for being here, and have an awesome day. it is what it is. This trade is a mess, but you know, we have a great opportunity next week as well. And this week was awesome. So see you guys the next week as well. Thanks again, and cheers everyone. Have a great weekend.